Welcome to G&T's Kitchen. This is banana 1-egg cake. If you got only 1 egg left at home, like this one, don't get more eggs. Just make it. We have bananas here, ripe for about a cup of bananas. Baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, the 1 egg, flour, sugar, and we've also got our sour milk, shortening or margarine. You could use margarine in place of it. And then the sour milk, I have how to make sour milk, all the substitution. Please check it out. Sieve the flour and all other dry ingredients. Baking powder, I'm going to sieve that as well, and baking soda. A pinch of salt. Don't know if you saw that. In another bowl, I got here the shortening. If you don't have shortening, you can use margarine. So that's the sugar. I use less sugar. The recipe calls for 1 cup and a quarter of sugar. I used 1 cup. It's not well creamed, but I'm going to leave it and do some other things. I've got here 3 bananas. 1 got missing in action. You can use a blender, a fork, anything to make it smooth. To the mashed banana or blended, I added half a tablespoon of vinegar. This is to delay it from getting brown, and I believe it serves as a preservative as well as a raising agent. Started using a spatula since there's less fat to sugar. The spatula makes it easier at this stage. So I'm going to whisk this 1 egg. Too lazy to bring out a fork. Pour in the egg and then we'll whisk. It's all coming together. I'm going to add the vanilla. The vanilla is 1 teaspoon. This small cupful is a teaspoon of vanilla. Isn't this looking lovely? So I'll add the mashed bananas. So I whisk everything together to combine it properly. I'm done mixing, so I'm going to fold in the flour. The flour, I will use half of it and then I'll use remaining half later on. It is folding because we do not want a dense cake. I'm going to be scraping the bowl and the spatula as I go on. This is so I can mix it properly. So in goes the sour milk. I'm going to fold in that as well. That is done. I'll fold in the remaining half. That's the remaining half of the flour I folded in initially. Meanwhile, I've been preheating the oven and I'm going to bake it in a greased and dusted pan until it's done.